Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and in this left section scroll and find security. Then let's tap on more settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see at the bottom we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on delete. We should have the information that we just successfully did it. However, as you can see in this device, it will not appear, but no worries. I ensure you that you just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.